Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically today I'm gonna be doing unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing my Yves Rocher album. All right, so if you want to see it, then keep watching. Okay guys, today I didn't do makeup because I was breaking out, and as you guys can see right here, you will see that I have a big acne over here, okay? So which I pressed this morning, and this normally come out during, women thing. I just feel like it's not necessary because my face, I press the pimples and it's not that nice. So that is it. First off, I'm gonna start showing you guys the box that I'm going to be unboxing. And I can say to you guys that this right here is very heavy. It's not something you can carry with one hand, okay? So this is actually how the pack is. It's very, very heavy. I don't really know if they are all the product that I just purchased that is inside it. So basically, I'm gonna start opening the box. As usual, I don't have my scissors with me here. So I'm gonna try to open it with empty hand. So over here, I got it open. So this is actually how the inside is looking like, okay? So not only my thing is here, I think my husband's things is also here because I placed order for the family. When you are doing your own shopping, you need to do your own husband's shopping as well. So basically, they have put only one this paper inside, because before when I bought my things, they will put something like two, but because the thing is heavy, that's why they put only one. All right, so I'm gonna start showing you guys those things. Actually, this one right here is for men. You can use it to do barbing if you want to, shave up. If you have beards, as you guys can see, I have beards here, so I also need it as well. So that's the number one thing I bought. So I also bought this, and this right here is 2-in-1. So this is actually 2-in-1 here. So you pay for this. You guys know this is my cleanser. If you press it out, it will be foam. I've used this in so many of my videos and also my skincare as well. Then inside there I have this anti-caduta, is for hair breakage shampoo, okay? And also I have this for coily hair, okay? And it's actually good for children as well. So over here I have this anti-pollution. Sometimes you feel like your hair is smelling, and when you wash it, this is the right shampoo for using to wash that out too. So over here, this side I have, this one here, guys, this one here, this one that I showed you guys previously, this is the condition. So it's two. This is the shampoo and this is the condition right here. So that is what we have going on, okay? So the next stop, we have this anti-volume. So this one here helps to add a little volume to your hair. So I'll also do a separate video for that and give you guys the, can I say the anatomy or what, and explain it more better. I'll do a separate video for that and explain it more better for you guys. So over this side we have this anti-reparation, okay? If there is anything, okay, like I said, I'll do the separate video. So that's basically what we have in this album, and the album right here is the album 16. We have the album 16, okay? So that is the things we have inside here. And yeah, and over here we have another empty paper here, and inside they have this one. I don't know what this is. This is flawless foundation. I think they gave me these to try out because the shade they gave here is shade 200, which is not my color. Okay, because I can't remember buying this. I didn't buy anything foundation, but why would they give me this? I don't know why. Why would they give me this? This is 200. I don't use 200. I use 600. When it comes to Yves Rocher products, in their foundation, I use 600 or maximum 700 or 800. So that is the shade I use in Yves Rocher. So if they have 900 as well, but 900 is too dark for me, but I normally use 600. 500 is a bit wide for my shade. All right, so I think that's all. Over here, this is their December album. Here this is their December album, and of course, you guys, there is nothing anymore, nothing again inside the box. Nothing is inside the box again. So these are the things that I bought from Yves Rocher. So I decided to share it with you guys. And don't forget that I said I'm going to do a extra video to explain about the things that I bought. So make sure you check it out once it's out, okay? And I'll see you all in my next video. Remain blessed and have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.